Good morning, everyone. I, Sunita Naik, welcome you to our English grammar class. As we were learning about negative sentences, let's continue some more general rules for negative sentences. Rule number 3. If a sentence contains have or has or had to show possession, in such cases, the negative sentences can be formed into two ways. Either we can use no just after these words, or we can use do not or does not or did not before these words. For example, I have a pet dog. I have no pet dog, or I do not have a pet dog. Second sentence, the child has a bicycle. Its negative can be the child has no bicycle, or the child does not have a bicycle. Third, this farmer had a cow. This farmer had no cow, or this farmer did not have a cow. Students, as you can see that here we have changed these sentences into two types. In first type we have used only no just after have, has or had to make it negative sentence, but in the second type of sentences with have we use do not and the base form of have, that is have only. In next sentence with has we use does and the base form of has, that is have. And with had we have used did not as had we use in past tense, and again the base form of had, that is have. Remember students, the word not is jointly used with the modal verb can. For example, you cannot solve this problem. Here not is jointly used with can. Now let's learn some negative contractions. It means when verbs are used with not in shortened version, it ends with short form of not, that is N''T. For example, do not, don't, does not, doesn't, did not, didn't, am not, ain't, is not, isn't, are not, aren't, was not, wasn't, were not, weren't, will not, won't, shall not, shan't, have not, haven't, has not, hasn't, had not, hadn't, would not, wouldn't, should not, shouldn't, cannot, can't, could not, couldn't, must not, mustn't. Remember students, and is incredibly versatile negative contraction. And can mean am not, is not, are not, has not, have not, do not, does not or did not. For example, we ain't joking. Here ain't means are not. We are not joking. Next, I ain't seen him today. Here ain't means have not. I have not seen him today. That's all for the day. Thank you.